Greetings, Jen here with Inspiring Radiance, and I'm excited to bring you this week's Wednesday Radiance. Today I want to talk to you about a quick video that I watched. It's a short video that is produced by Hay House, one of my favorite publishing companies. They host some of my favorite authors, including Wayne Dyer. And this short video, it's about an hour long, is called My Greatest Teacher. I would encourage you to pick this up and take a peek at it, but I just want to share with you the idea that we have all been given amazing teachers in our lives. Sometimes these teachers come to us, though, in forms of frustration or uneasy, not easy situations and relationships that we've been given. Sometimes as well, though, they are amazing relationships. What I want you to consider, though, is just who in your life is there to present something to you, is there to teach you something. For example, one of my greatest teachers that I've come to realize and recognize is my mother. My mom and I have had an interesting relationship over the past 37 years. We've had our ups and downs, admittedly so. And there's been one thing that I know that I have learned from her. You see, I believe that as tiny, tiny people, before we're brought into this world, I believe that we request who our parents are going to be. Now, that is a conversation for another day that we'll talk about. But I believe that we come to this world knowing there is a lesson for us that we need to learn. For me, one of my greatest things that I love teaching and sharing with others is love and embracing love and how to love yourself and how to love others. So I believe that my mom is one of my greatest teachers because through our relationship, I have had to learn to not necessarily rely and depend on her love for me and how she shows me her love, but instead I have had to learn how to get that love for myself and how to grow that love from within because our relationship has had its challenges. So we've all been given these amazing teachers, but it's up to us to see them as the gift and the blessing that they are. In this movie, Wayne Dyer talks about the relationship with his dad and how his dad left him and abandoned him and his two older brothers along with their mom when he was just 1 or 2 years old. He hadn't seen him for years and years and years, and then found him after he had actually passed away. And what he had realized in those moments was that there was a lesson for him to learn through his dad. So I believe we're all given these amazing teachers in our lives. Some present themselves in extreme challenges, and some present themselves in beautifully wrapped, easy to understand lessons. But it's up to us to uncover what that lesson might be. So I encourage you to take a peek at who are some of your greatest teachers in your life and what are they teaching you? What is the message you're meant to hear? For me, I know one of the messages that I was meant to learn was how to love myself. Once I fully and completely embrace that, then I can take that message further. Then I can take that and spread that the way that I'm meant to spread that. Without being able to grasp that lesson, I wouldn't be able to spread it the way that I can spread it now. So if you're interested, I encourage you. It's a great, quick movie, about an hour long, My Greatest Teacher, put on by Hay House. Take a peek at that. And if not a big deal. Just sit back and think about who are some of the people in your life that are in your life for a very specific reason and a very specific lesson. Remind yourself that you've brought them into your life for a purpose. There's something here for you to learn from them. With that, I will look forward to connecting with you soon. As always, have a fantastic day and may you live your life with love. Blessings.